I absolutely love my gas grill, but I do not like the gas fumes, especially with my children. So I prefer using induction stovetops when I'm cooking anything for a long period of time. Think a soup or a roast, or even sometimes when I'm boiling water. These are also great if you don't have space for a large stove or if you just need an additional cooktop. So let me show you all about the NUWAVE induction stove. Now I've been eyeing this one for a while. I have another induction cooktop and I thought this would be a good addition. So here is how it comes. You have all the instructions and the cooktop itself is very well secured. Now immediately I am so impressed, specifically with this top surface. It is kind of more of a slightly textured surface. The other one I have looks like a glass surface and I'm always scared I'm going to damage it. Whereas this looks like I can really use and abuse it. So let's turn it on. I'm gonna put some water on it, start it up, and we'll go through all these buttons as it's on. Now to start off with, I want to talk about this wattage button. This is very cool. You can actually control the wattage on this from 600, 900, or 1500 watts. Now normally you'd keep it at 1500, but if you are in an RV or an off-grid cabin, you might want to keep this lower. That means it will not heat as fast, it's not gain as much power, but it will still work well, and that is a great way to control the electricity usage of this device. Now the easiest way to start is to just hit start. Now it just turned on, that's its fan running. And now I can choose the temperature I want by hitting here, or I can actually just choose a button and they'll automatically go to a different temperature. That's searing, there's medium, medium low, low. So really these buttons are just quick buttons to a different Fahrenheit, or you can actually choose. You have full control over what temperature it's going to be at. Now let's say I want to program it. I can hit program and then choose a temperature. Let's say I want it 425, and then I can choose time. When I hit time once, I'm editing that number. Twice, I'm adding that one, 3 times, and so on. So I don't have to hold this scale away for an hour. Now it's running an hour, and I can hit start. So that's how I could control a program on it, which is really powerful and great for long cooking. I would trust leaving this for long periods of time. Now I have this pot on here with this water in it because it will not run at all if there is not a pot on top of it. That's a safety feature it has, so I need that on there for it to cook. So now I could run it and boil this water, but I think you see how well it works, and if you understand induction, you know how fast this will go. So overall, I am really quite impressed with this NUWAVE induction stovetop, and I will definitely be using it for my family.